KWM stock analysis. Tomorrow onward is this 1-minute video. I'm going to break down my exact play with K-Wave Media stock. I actually quite like this 114% increase. Look, I'm the only guy in the space with 41,000 videos made, and I've documented all of it on my YouTube channel. It's all there. Ultimately, as I'm just observing this from a higher time frame, let me set up my freaking ranges. Okay, daily chart. I'm aware that it pumped up quite heavy, but just randomly buying is very risky, you know, very, very risky. So unless I do see a proper 5-minute double break above here with the Wyckoff accumulation. So this is like about to be like a reaccumulation, but if I don't see that happening, then I'm obviously not going to be buying. It's very simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, get my free insights and emails. First link in the description. Goodbye.